Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create this typography poster in Photoshop. Create a new document using these dimensions. Go to adjustment and choose solid color. Pick a color of your choice and click OK. Go back to adjustments and choose gradient. Set the 2 points to white and click OK. Set the scale value to 50. Now click and drag the gradient down like this. Make a copy of the gradient layer. Double-click the gradient thumbnail. Follow these settings. Drag the gradient at center. Click OK. Set the opacity to 60%. Unlock the background layer. Select all layers and group them. Rename it to background. Select the tie tool. Click anywhere on the canvas to place your text. This is the font that I'm using. Follow these settings and write your text. Press Ctrl A to select all, then center align the text. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T to transform. Right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Drag it below the first text. Right-click and choose Perspective. Extend this point like this. Go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Set the value to around 1.5. Place in your image. Go to Select, then choose Subject. Add a layer mask to remove the background. Select the subject layer, press Ctrl or Command T, resize and position the subject. Make a copy of the subject layer. Right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to FX and choose Color Overlay. Set the color to black and click OK. Convert it to Smart Object again. Click and drag it below. Press Ctrl Command T to transform. Right-click and choose Distort. You can either place your shadow here or there. Add a layer mask. Select the gradient tool and follow this step. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the value to around 2.9. Click OK. Reduce the opacity to around 70%. Select the text layer. Add a layer mask. With the gradient tool, draw a gradient like this. Select the second layer, add a new layer, rename it to shadow. Select the brush tool and follow these settings. Make sure foreground color is set to black. Resize the brush and make a click. Let's create the second shadow. This time, set the opacity to around 50. Add a new layer. Sample this color. Pick a dark color of the blue. Increase the brush and make a click. Select the type tool. Follow these settings. Then write your text. Highlight the text and follow these steps. Make a copy of the text. Make sure to follow these steps carefully. With a type tool, draw a selection like this. Then copy the settings in the character panel. To change the background color, double-click on the color fill thumbnail. Pick a color of your choice and click OK. Make your final adjustments and corrections. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will help you out. That's it. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.